Hey, y'all. I am so lucky because I've got my friends, y'all, Greg and Shirley here with me today, and they are the makers of the olive oils that we carry in our stores, right?
That's correct,
Right.
Paula. Yeah.
And we carry in the Italian herb.
That's a new one.
I was gonna say I don't remember trying that one.
You'll like that.
I will like it because I make a lot of meatballs and things, so that will come in very handy. And what else we got here? Champagne. I think the champagne might be my favorite. Right up there with the butter.
Well, a lot of people love
The
that
butter.
champagne.
So what are you making today? What recipe are you sharing with us?
I am going to make just an antipasto olive recipe. It's very simple. I like simple recipes.
I do too, honey.
When I work a lot, which I do, in the store, I like to go home and sometimes just throw something very simple together for
Yes.
dinner.
This and some toasted French bread would be delicious.
Yes.
My son Bobby could eat every olive at one sitting that's in this bowl. He loves them. So I see that you've got like a calamata and a green. Now, have these olives been marinated or anything?
Yes, they have. This is just in a Mediterranean olive salad that we picked up. And then it's got some red peppers in it as well. Now, I did drain it. And just remember while we're eating the olives, they say they're pitted, but they can have pits in them. We miss them sometimes.
And you can break a tooth if you
Yes.
eat olives that are not pitted. Okay, so you've got your jar of calamata and then a jar of green. Is that two different?
No, it was just one big old mix.
Oh, okay.
Now, you
Okay.
can. I didn't take it that step further. We
Okay.
have a lot of olives at the store. You can take a nice green olive. You can add a Kalamata olive. And then you could add some Italian seasoning. And that's going to give you that Mediterranean taste as well. So all I'm going to do is take the olives. And I'm going to, let me wash my hands real quick. And I am going to add some things.
Okay, you got fresh mushrooms. You got chickpeas, which I love. And the chickpeas is what hummus is made out of.
Yeah.
Right? And then you've got your cherry tomatoes and mozzarella bites.
Mozzarella bites.
I love fresh mozzarella, especially like on my pizzas.
And then I have some pepperoni.
Okay.
And of course, we're going to add the Italian herb and the champagne vinegar.
Okay.
Okay? So, all I do is put my olives in. And it really doesn't matter how you start the recipe.
Okay.
If you want to put those in there.
We'll just start dumping, y'all.
And then we're going to add a little bit of mozzarella balls.
Yes. And the chickpeas. Uh-oh. That's all right. We'll get you later.
We're going to take some tomatoes.
Okay.
We're going to put those in there. And then,
I don't know if you had a spoon or not. Yeah, this has got your protein, your veggies,
it's got everything in there.
your
Paula.
starches. Yes.
Now, if you like smaller pepperonis, you can chop them or you can buy the smaller. These are just real simple. I'm going to pick them out.
Yeah, you'll have to encourage them, aren't you?
Just a little bit. And then you can take them loose. Just peel them loose a little bit.
Kind of separate them a little bit.
You can.
Yes, because they do have a tendency to stick together.
Once I get them all sorted, wash my hands again, then I am going to mix the oil and vinegar.
Okay, well, I'll just stand here and help you separate. Because somebody said I wasn't good for nothing. And I'm proving that I am good for something, y'all. Michael can do one little thing around the house and he'll say, "You said I was good for nothing. Look what I just did."
Now, when you do this recipe, Paula, you can take your oil and vinegar. You can mix this ahead of time. But I want to just show. I just put it in a cup.
Okay.
I do take the whisk. And I kind of mix it together.
Mix it together, yeah.
Or you can put it in a blender. It's whatever works better for you.
Yeah. Or that little emulsifier.
Yes.
You know, that would work if you don't want to pull out a blender. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands because there is some oil on those.
And then all I want to do is just pour this right over it.
And you let that sit and marinate earlier.
After I'm done with this, they recommend that you let it sit for 30 minutes. Or you can do it a day ahead.
You know what? I would think this is one of those recipes that gets better, like spaghetti or lasagna.
Oh, it does.
Gets better
We,
after it sits.
I like to make it a day ahead. And just let it sit.
Yes. And all those flavors marry together.
Yes.
And just to remind y'all, she mixes champagne, aged Italian balsamic, and the Italian herb olive oil. I can't wait to try this one.
I put that on bread.
Oh gosh,
French
Russian.
fries.
Yes.
Yes. It's really good.
Well, that looks wonderful. And you see that didn't take but a minute. And
It's very simple.
And if you're having a cocktail party or having friends over, or you're going to someone's house, this would be great to take as, a little thank you.
It's great because in the holidays we're always entertaining. We don't have a lot of time, so we just put it together with simple recipes.
I know it should sit a little longer, Shirley, but I'm gonna dig in.
Now, also, I like to take some lettuce,
Yes.
and we'll put some lettuce on a plate.
Okay. And just pretty it up a little bit. Well, to me, this is pretty by itself. It's so colorful.
Just lay some lettuce here.
So colorful.
Especially, or you can do it on individual plates if you're actually entertaining.
Yes, if you
That's a great way to do that too.
Yes. Yes, this could be your salad. Well, let's taste this and see
How it's going.
Yeah, I want a piece of everything,
Oh.
We're not gonna fight on this, are we?
Delicious.
Oh, that tomato. Did you get a piece?
Oh, it's good, Paula. Watch your olives.
I am gonna take my son some of this. He will love it. And I so appreciate y'all supplying these wonderful products.
Oh, thank you.
They're
We
so
enjoy
good.
doing it.
Love and best wishes, y'all. I'm going back for more.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.